Now this is a part 2 video where we are going to officially register Office 2016. Otherwise it will give you 7 days demo. So start your Word and it will show an error to you and it's not registered and so on. So once you install the Office, you can start it for 7 days, but then it will ask you to product key and you can just click cancel. And if you try to create a document, it will show you that it will, if you don't activate, it will expire on 9th. Now close down this, go to your activator which I told you in last video, KMS Auto, right click, run as administrator, yes. Now Windows will start shouting malware because it's the software that cracks Windows. So here you will open few menus, click on activation. First you can activate Windows, optional you can activate Office. So I am doing both right now. So it will every 10 days automatically resets the keys and automatically installs. So it will ask you a question, create a change in reactivation. You just have to click yes. And now Windows has been successfully activated. Click on activation, click Office, click OK. Now it will automatically detect which Office you have. Click Office 2016. It will run in the background. And this is how you can activate the Office and install Office 2016. It will run in the background and finally it will show task done completed successfully.